We are then a little Honda CRF70F motocross bike, little child's bike, just arrived with us at Pickering for our next auction. Make a nice little Christmas present for somebody. Smart little bike, 2004 I think. It's like brand new. Chrome works all shiny, engine like a brand new engine. Yeah, do you want to see if we can get it going, Alan?
Yep.
Get it going. I think it's the other way. There you go. First little kick. Sounds as sweet as a nut. Lovely. All parts are still readily available for it, so vendor said. So if you know, you do have a little mishap Christmas morning, you can get parts for it. Yeah, if you're interested in this bike, please come along to Pickering and have a look. Thank you.